closer. 8. 9.
Kambal mo, maswim ka.
10. Very good. Wow. Very good. You hold the pose. Very good. Bye-bye. Okay. You don't want to get tight. You need to hold with coach. Now, I want you to down your head. Look at coach. Kalma lang kami.
Follow coach, follow. May fish pala sa floor, Yam. You look at the floor, may fish too, may fish.
Not gonna follow. You're the one who gonna namin siya grab him on your own. You like that? Of course, it's gonna drop. Help!
Hello, no! Oh no, you help coach.
Actual, gawin tayo kabataan. Kabalo mo iya tayo. Hindi lang na siya sa kabataan. Sa mga adult, like mga hindi kabalo iya tayo niya. Naman lang ginagawa sa sila. After sila, wala sa malawag.
Oh no, you help coach.
Sila na niya wala.
Ato, oh, very good job.
Why?
Great job, Yam. Kick Yam.
Then you move your feet left, right. Very good. Raise your arms. Don't bend your elbow. Bend your elbow. If you're not gonna follow, I will put your hair. Straight. That's it. Go. Left, right, go.
Kick.
Come on, follow.
Ginkwaan mo na po sa hangin niya, floater. Ang isa.
Left, right. Gonna follow. There, one. Kaya follow kay coach. Ang ato niya gina-analyze. Dapat pang. Go. Follow kay coach. No.
Kuha, yan na.
You drink the water first.
Wait lang. Kuha, ito. Oh no!
Rest.
Dala na lang bag ko ni. Come here, kinanay.
Taman ka relaxing. Kaya sa floater sa body niya, sir. Ginasubot ng body niya. Go.
Follow coach. You move your arm.
One circle. Okay, follow kay coach. We need to follow kay coach. One circle. Go. Wanna do it on your own?
You kick your leg.
Now, I want you to keep on this time. Ako, out of India. Go to the left. You wanna hold, come on. Okay. So, anong purpose naman ng reward, mother? Nagdagdag siya sa dagat. Isang pinagkita siya sa flow. Okay, mayagan niya sa survival. Maalay rin siya na yagan niya na report.
Okay.
Kung makita natin ganun, look up. Close your mouth. Kuya, talaga sa mga grade 1.
Grade 1. And that's it.
Look up. Close your mouth. I think it takes 45 to rotate. Look up. then hold now sa wall. Ang grip niya, ma'am, kusog. Hello, you're gonna drown. Go. Move your hands. You need to move your hands. You kick. You move your feet. Okay. Kaya wala ka effort ang movement niya, ma'am. So, kung makikita mo, mamagyan ka. Ang kani dari ka na mag-ring. So, kung expected ko an hour, hindi kalagot an hour, drain ko na siya.
Bali, ang duwayan na naka-floater, coach, why na nahangin.
Para pa ma'am, hindi ko siya magulpi.
Okay.
Kaya ang ginabi ang basis natin is ang power, ang kicking niya. Hindi na estimate natin kung ano ka-improve, hindi na magalit-galit. Pero may kabataan, hindi dyan mga grabe ka dati. Kung siya dasig, pero okay na lang kung papapasubo ng kicking niya. Para makaya, kasi yung
Wow. Oh.
okay, drink your water, but you are not allowed to go up, okay?
Water, tita. Oh. Water first. Water. Ano yung water first?
Okay. Tama na, technique ni coach. Okay, drink your water.
Drink water.
Drink your water.
Water first.
Expected ko
Pamilya.
gani, ano. Water. Amo yung first na good ma'am, drain. Okay. What? Pero tamang siya kada si 3 to 4 days na lesson.
Nakuha ya. Ah.
Ay, inaaralan siya sa babaw. So, sa self niya naman, ina-check niya ang kapatid niya. Mag-stop ko nito ba pala o gawin niya head, ang ato naman ginalagat eh, dapat pagalitan ng forward. Ang natutuan tayo sa kicking, pero hindi siya natutuan, amo pa niya siya kakit. Ito siya idea, so dapat i-drain.
Nga tudlo ka to sa adult coach.
Yes. May ara ko mga adult, especially mga adult na from office, doctors. Instead na mag-zumba ka sa gym,
Ah,
kasi
sige.
sila.
Ah.
Ay mas grabing burn calories ang...
As in, why kidya bala do float lang gid nga kaya ang kaya.
Tanan man ma'am nga ginahandle ko, hindi man kabal.
Okay.
From zero, pinag may doctor ako si Doc, 17 years old.
Ah, ay si Tanit gali ko.
Pero gani ano eh, tatlo pa ka-strokes ang nahibaluan niya. And
Ah.
then, sa last time is ang lawyer. Awan to, ang baya ko, hindi pa ko pala nanigulang. Dito pa ko yan, nagkapalamag lang. Pero naning exercises sa swimming na. Instead hindi man sa, sa Zumba. Tapos na pala nakit lawas. Dariya, sakit lawas, nagkaroon namin ito. Ang recovery ay yan, overcome sa natin. The groups ang naman may ginahandle ako mga group of office after office. Mga business kami nag-swim kami. Kamara siya ka disubong gahalong na siya compare kay inang aras-aras.
Te man, gusto mo mag-swim ah.
What? It's okay. Na kami. Kami yung water. Amo na to siya. Kayla, okay na sa bongga. Luto na siya. I think yung water to. Okay nyo dito sa break. So, do you wanna go to? You're not gonna listen to me coach you there again. Okay.
Listen kay coach, you follow coach.
You gonna listen or not? No? you wanna go, you go on your own. You wanna go on your own. See? But if you want to go with coach, you want to do this one, okay? Are you sure? Very good. Look now. Okay. So can I movie now? Okay, come on. So let's start our lesson. Okay. So all you have to do is to listen. Okay, William, if you're not gonna follow, I will put you there, the middle of this book, and then you can read your two ladder on your own. Okay? So that's it. So first, you need to hold the wall. Both hands. Both hands. Very good. And then give me your foot. Go through. Okay, and then let's move our foot like this. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so hold the wall. I said just hold the wall. And then let's kick. You follow, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,